Monday is Earth Day. It's a great time to start making small yet impactful changes to your environmental footprint.
Lifestyle and beauty expert Mickey Williams is here with a selection of top performing products that prioritize sustainability and kindness. Hi, Mickey! Welcome back!
Happy.
Yes!
I have so much fun stuff.
Okay, let's get started.
Okay.
All right, first of all, let's start off in the shower, right?
Okay.
I mean, can we just rewind really quickly? Like, why not get products that are cleaner and greener and better? And especially, so these are definitely some of my favorites, but this is just unbelievable. This is Ren Pure. This is actually their tea tree and rosemary shampoo. This is a set. This is $15
For the shampoo and conditioner?
Yes, and I just want to break down how amazing this product is, okay? First of all, it's really balancing. It works great for oily hair, and by gently cleaning oily hair, but it's really good at soothing the scalp because it has that tea tree oil in it. It's just an incredible product, but let's just talk. It's also really invigorating, I would say, too.
I can smell
With the scalp
It's a fun shower, right?
Yes.
But what's great about this is it's completely plant-based, okay? And it's really, it adheres to super strict kind of clean standards. So it excludes all of the 1,600 known harmful ingredients, but wait, even this full packaging right here is recycled materials.
The pump, the bottle.
The pump, everything, even the labels there are all part of the program.
I love that.
So you don't compromise at all with this product.
And the other thing to consider is that stuff is washing down the drain, which eventually makes into the wastewater.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Soaps can be some of the most harmful ingredients, and this is one of the cleanest shampoo and conditioners. I'm obsessed, and the price value,
that's
amazing.
Great. Yeah, awesome.
Okay. So this is one of my favorites.
Yeah, and that's why I brought it back. I want to say.
Okay.
But this is new. I love this. This is Hemp's. This is their Ocean Breeze. This is their herbal body moisturizer with hyaluronic acid, by the way.
No.
Oh yeah. So hyaluronic is going to basically help condition the skin, but it's also going to help retain that moisture, right? The smell is amazing. It's made with 100% hemp seed oil, okay, which is great for restoring the skin kind of barrier. But let's just back up there, okay? I just want to say that hemp right now is a completely sustainable product. And when it's planted, it actually decreases greenhouse gas emissions, right? So it's such a beautiful product. I love this because it's super hydrating. I think they say it's 48 hours of hydration, but the product alone is gorgeous, and it has that hyaluronic acid.
Takes away the old lady hands.
Yeah.
It's such a good product. I love it. And it's, hey, come on, hemp. Let's get into the hemp.
Let's get into the hemp, baby. Oh, you love these Lano lips.
I am obsessed with Lano lips just because when I became a mom, it was my go-to. You used it when you were breastfeeding because it was, the baby the baby was, everything. Okay. Now they just came out with their lip scrubs. This is awesome.
Scrubs? Oh, get rid of all the dead skin. Ooh,
coconutter, and it comes in strawberry. I want you to play with it here. Okay. All I want to say is it's 100% natural balm based. Okay. So I think it's got up to 70% lanolin in it. But here's the beautiful part. It has this really gorgeous sugar, and it has strawberry seeds and everything in there. Such a natural product. It's so amazing. What I like about it is when you use it, it does restore your lips back to that kind of baby pink, because it brings everything in flushes. But it's a great kind of, just an incredible product.
Do you have to wash this off?
Yeah, but you could lick it off too. You can just gently brush it off. But what's great is the boxes are printed using, soy or plant-based, kind of veggie-based, everything here. This whole brand is such an incredibly clean brand, cruelty-free, all of the good stuff. And of course, I'm going to always talk about my baby because they saved me during that.
All right.
Brand new Luxe skincare line. It was showing up all over my Instagram and TikTok feeds. This is Perduri. And I love this brand because most brands will put into almost 60 to 80% water, especially clean brands will put in just as their main ingredient. This brand has, and I really want you to play with this, is their serum. This is their age protective serum. I want you to play with it. I want you to see how gorgeous and light this is. They have this, Perduri has this Row Ice Plus complex, and each of these products has up to 80% of that. So it's not watered down, it's very effective, it's very potent, it's a beautiful product. This ice plant, it has ice plant extract, rose water, and aloe vera as the base, and then they have all of these different, the brightening essence is really beautiful. Love the line, and they're doing Spring 30 right now.
Oh, fun.
Since this is live, it's still available, where you can get 30% off. off. But I want to say for a clean beauty line, they go above and beyond all clean standards. From everything from packaging to, again, the labels, everything. Beautiful, beautiful product. And it has none of the nasties in it.
No,
none of the
nasties.
nasties. Okay.
And it feels good going on. It
Yeah,
doesn't feel
beautiful.
heavy at all.
It
Okay.
just like goes into your skin.
This is fascinating.
This is amazing. I
Yeah.
love this so much. Okay, how many old bras do you have that you just throw away?
I mean,
many.
yeah.
Way too many.
Or
This
don't
is
throw
incredible.
away.
I want to show you this bag, all right? This
Okay.
right here is from Third Love. You go onto their site, you buy this bag for $20.
Okay.
I want to show you the size of this bag. Okay, it's
Oh,
a
wow.
big
Yeah.
baby. You can pack your old socks in this. You can pack anything you want, your old bras, everything. Ship it back to them. There's a QR card that you scan. All right, they're known for their bras, but then they're going to give you I think it's like a $30 or $40 credit right for on purchasing a new one. And let's read this because I have to read it because it's just absolutely out of this world.
Okay.
Tell me what this says right here.
Okay. Fill, scan, send.
But there was something else. Something about, anyways, what it's doing is it's keeping all of your stuff out of landfills.
Yeah.
It's keeping everything. It saves so much on water. It does everything. I had all of the statistics here, but I'm telling you, it's amazing.
That's so cool.
Absolutely incredible. And you just you can put your sheets in there, anything that you don't,
anything you
old
wanna get rid
rags,
of.
Get rid of it.
The clothing
They're going
wise.
to process
Okay,
it for you.
cool.
They're going to repurpose because they have the sustainable lace that they use. It's the softest material I've ever used.
Okay.
So.
Okay.
Now this is something I actually use in my house right now.
Okay, so
Yeah, I
I
wanna
just
try
started.
this, too.
This is incredible because you know what? This is such an easy switch for your family.
Yeah.
They're cheaper than buying a big old plastic jug that you're going to keep. These are Earth Breeze. A lot of people, there's only
they're in there.
They're
I
in
thought it was
there.
just
These
only
are actual little
sheets.
They're
sheets.
sheets.
Oh,
and
like dryer
you
sheets,
can,
but they're
no,
these
these
are
are laundry
washer.
sheets.
like them, but for the laundry.
Yes.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
You just put them right
And-
in, and these are them. And they say, like, you know, maybe depending upon your load, there is
Yes.
like a little calculator that you put
Okay.
more or
Right,
less
you can
in.
give, yeah,
But I
usually you use
absolutely-
one whole sheet. So so this
She's a
is a
pro.
half a sheet. This is one whole sheet.
Okay.
And typically I just fold it like this and I stick it right in the cart, not the cart. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
the thing you
cup,
pull it.
the
Yeah,
cup.
the cup. Yeah.
Okay.
You stick
you
it
can put-
right in there.
Oh,
and
you don't just
let
throw it
cook.
in with the clothes?
No. You put it in the cup and then the water comes down and washes it out and it comes out so clean and no
Oh.
problems. I mean, they talk about how the dish detergent has a bunch of water in it.
Yeah.
So it's not really a lot of laundry detergent.
Those are
All laundry.
This
That's
was one of
great.
the easiest ways I could find it. You're already doing it. It's super affordable, and the best part about it is you can get unscented or scented, and I do like the scented.
Yeah.
I thought I wasn't gonna like it, but it smells
Smells
really
good?
good.
Yeah. Hey, love
Hey,
it.
sharetheglam.com is where you can get more tips and tricks from Mickey. You always bring such fun stuff.
I know.
Does.
I love
Good
this
stuff.
part.
It
Thank you.
educates us.
Yes,
too.
we're learning.